Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Bolt Food application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here in this page you should press on the fourth option, which is settings. And you can see now the first option in this new page, which is language. Press on that as well, and here you will be able to find all the language options for this application. You can see there is quite a few, but unfortunately there is not a lot of options, just a few. Now most of the languages are European languages, so if you have found your language here, you can just press on it. Seems like right now it doesn't really work for some reason, but essentially you can just press on that specific language usually and just go back basically and the language will be changed. I don't know why it doesn't work right now. It might be probably some kind of application glitch, but there is basically the page where you can change the language. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.